Hi, it's David here, CEO and founder of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. Specificity in knowing your numbers. This is so critical. I do blueprint days for our new members of Freedom Founders on a regular basis. And what I require of them, ask of them, request of them is to bring their numbers. What kind of numbers? Well, business numbers, of course, but lifestyle burn rate numbers. What's it take to run their lifestyle? What are their specific numbers that they have in terms of their investments? What are those investments kicking off in terms of cash flow, dividend payments? What's the pro forma on growth? These are the things that people need to know to have the clarity to know where you want to go and how you want to get there. Without a roadmap that's based on metrics that are known and specific, there's no way it's going to ever happen. And time again, people do not know their numbers. They guess, they throw numbers at the wall. They have no idea. They're basically just checking their bank account every month and seeing if there's enough there to pay the mortgage and the car payments and the vacations and whatever else it is. And if there's money there, well, they survived another month, right? That's all they've done. If you want to get to freedom in your life, and that freedom means financial freedom, it also means time freedom. If you want to get there ahead of everybody else who's going to wait until someday, maybe in their 60s or 65 or 70, no one ever knows, right? Financial advisors can't even tell them. If you want to get there way before then and start enjoying time in your life, you've got to have specificity of your numbers. If you haven't done that, no way it's going to happen. You don't know where you're going and how to turn the dials to make it happen. I see it over and over again. Financial advisors who can't even help their people. They use fancy algorithms and software to try to project exactly when the money's going to run out for people. And folks, they have no clue. You've got to take charge of your financial future, just like you did when you're going to school and getting the education you got and the degrees and technical skill sets and abilities and CE you take to be the best of the best that you want to be and have to be in the marketplace. But if you're not focusing on your financials, you're leaving your whole life on the table. I'm telling you, I see it all the time. Don't let that happen to you. You need a blueprint, you need a map, you need someone who can guide you through the specificity of what you've got and how to leverage and make the most of what you have. Otherwise, you'll be like everybody else, knowing not when you can take your time off of the hamster wheel and actually live life. Don't let that happen to you. It's your freedom. You got to focus on it. I'll see you next time.